Hello guys, it's me, Mick Plays VR, and in this video, I'm gonna be going to the lava area. And in the last video, I went to the haunted mansion, and I mean, it's a very good place. You can get money quickly and fast, but in Bunker map, you will get the money. The ores cost more, but it'll take you a longer time to get them, and plus you can die there very easily. Alright, let's go into the area. Right guys, now I'm down in the bunker area, and I was hiding because I was getting targeted by all of the monsters, so I was kind of busy a little bit. But now that we're here, it's time for money. Mansion route. Now I'm just gonna cut all of these out. Oh no. Make sure you don't get targeted by the monsters along. Oh my time to put some in my bag. Dang, they already respawned that quickly. That's just crazy. Or I'm gonna try to get this one without getting noticed that much. Keep getting noticed. This is so annoying. I don't like whenever you watch it at me, sir. Could you please stop? Oh, thank you. I thought you stopped. Sir, could you mind stop watching me? It's not very nice. Sir, you're kind of freaking me out. Could you please not stalk me like that? Sir. Oh my gosh, guys. What does it want from me? You. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? What do you want? Oh my gosh, stop watching me. Hey guys, I got a research point. Oh yeah. Could you please go away? Just stop watching me, sir. Yes, go that way. No, stop. Oh yes, thank you very much, sir. You're finally stopped stalking me. Sir. Thank you, sir, for not stalking me anymore. Thank you. Okay. I'm on this now. No. Okay, time to on these. Alright guys, my backpack is almost full. Now it's getting so heavy. So I'm gonna mine these ones. Alright, I'm gonna collect these two real quick. I say, hey, okay. epic catch. Oh yeah. Sport a mechanic. Oh, I thought I just took some crystals. Okay. Let me get this comfortable because sometimes it's very important to make here. Alright guys, if you get a full, like a blue bag and fill them out with the lava crystals, you should get around somewhere like 13,000. And I'm gonna show you proof at the end of the video. Oh hey guys, guess what? My backpack is full. Huh? It's time to sell. As soon as I started talking about it, I got a full bag. That's crazy. Right, boys and girls, we're gonna go back to spawn. No! What the freak? Oh hey guys, I'm gonna mine some more purple crystals. I see. Нет, не хочется так сильно. Okay, сейчас. Alright guys, I'm gonna mine this purple crystal and then I'm gonna go back to spawn. Whee! Okay, I got no research points, but let's mine this one to see if I get research points. I got no research points, Brett. Alright, it's time to go back. Whee! No lava, please. No! I don't like lava. Whee! Alright, guys. I'm back. It's time to get some money. Bye bye. I had to let go of my stuff. Bye bye, sorry. Okay, oh my gosh, guys, I can barely move my backpack. But it's time to sell our stuff. No, get back in there. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. Now let's go sell it. Alright guys, as I said, we got $13,000. I mean, it's good if you want to take your time, but I would recommend you doing the Haunted Mansion strategy because I've been watching It's Toasty's videos and yeah, he gets a lot of money from it and very quick. Alright guys, bye bye.